Hello everybody, welcome back to X1E. My name is Ralph. Today we're doing some server related stuff. I've been using this guy for the past few weeks, but noticed that 8 cores and 16 threads is just not enough for what I wish to run at home. So I'm taking inspiration from the Craft Computing C-Cubed server, and I'll be upgrading this one to a dual 8-core Haswell Xeon and 128 gigs of RAM. We're using this dual socket ATX mainboard from Supermicro, an 80 plus platinum power supply from Seasonic, some nice brown fans, and some stuff we're gonna take out of this one. Hi, it's morning again. I let the loop run for a few hours overnight to see if we have any leaks. The system's still dry inside, so I think we're ready to boot it up. I hope everything is recognized and works correctly. We're still using the Proxmox installation from the last machine, keeping my fingers crossed. I don't see any problems though. It's Linux after all. There we have our 128 gigs of RAM. Both CPUs are recognized. Now, while I check some other stuff and we're waiting for Proxmox to boot, allow me to address a question of why I went the water cooling route with this server. After all, this introduces many new possible points of failure, and I get that. You're absolutely right. The reason is sound, or better said, the lack thereof. For a long time, I had 4 violently screaming 2U rack servers at home. And as some of you may attest, this doesn't go over that well with other family members. As time goes by, they start complaining. The more time, the more complaining. This water-cooled setup allows me to run the system fans at very low speeds, making the machine nearly silent while keeping the CPUs cool at the same time. Cool and quiet. Okay, family happy, server happy, me happy.
There you go. Machine migration successful. All the components are recognized and Linux is happy with the hardware. I hope you enjoyed the content about my new home server. Please leave a like if you did. It helps a lot. I know, content has been scarce in the last few weeks, but the board on my main editing system has failed and all my source video files are on that system. A replacement board has been ordered, but due to human malware, it won't arrive for at least another 2 weeks. Once the system's built again, we'll have lots of fresh content for you. If you don't want to miss that, please consider subscribing to our channel. My name is Ralph, and I hope to see you next time here at Hex1E.